Bonds, or a bond, is the primary means to reduce risk in your portfolio through asset allocation. But what is a bond? A bond is simply a loan that you make to a corporation, known as a corporate bond, a state or local government, known as municipal bonds, or the federal government, known as treasury bonds. Now, there are several common characteristics to bonds. You have what's known as the face value, which is typically $8,000, which is the value of the bond itself. You have the issue price, which is the price that the bond was issued, typically $100, but that issue price will change after it starts trading. Then you have the coupon rate. This is the rate of interest that the bond will pay you, and typically will pay you on a semi-annual basis. Then you have the maturity date. This is the date that the bond itself will be paid back. Here's how this works out. Let's assume XYZ Corporation wants to raise some money to finance either an acquisition or expand their business. So they will issue, let's say, a 5-year bond at 3% interest, which means if you invest in this bond, you will receive 3% interest every year, semi-annually, for the next 5 years. And at the end of that time frame, you'll receive your $1,000 principal back. Now, you do have the ability to sell the bond before maturity through the bond market itself. Now, there is an inverse relationship between bond prices and interest rates. As interest rates move up, bond prices move down. And as interest rates move down, bond prices move up. In fact, if you look at the bond market this year, as measured by the Barclays Bloomberg Index, bonds are actually negative this year, down 0.8%. Why? Because interest rates have moved up since January 1st. Now, you can buy bonds either through mutual funds or ETFs, which are really going to be the primary method to do so. Now, if you're on the higher net worth end of the spectrum, you can buy individual bonds because you have the ability to customize a portfolio more, build a bond ladder, and diversification within it itself. Hope you find this information of value. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care.